Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best torpedo heaters in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Dyna Glo KFA50DGD 50,000 BTU Kerosene Forced Air Heater. This Dyna Glo KFA50DGD 50,000 BTU Kerosene Forced Air Heater is the perfect solution for any home or workspace that needs a powerful and reliable heating source. With a 50,000 BTU output, it can effectively heat up to 1,200 square feet of space, making it ideal for large and medium-sized rooms. The two-stage operation allows for efficient fuel consumption. The heater also features an auto shut-off system that kicks in if it ever gets too hot. Its durable construction and easy portability make it great for both indoor and outdoor use, making it the perfect heating solution for any space. Pros: provides up to 50,000 BTU of heat. Easy to use and maintain. Safe to use indoors and outdoors. Features an adjustable thermostat and variable heat output. Lightweight and portable. Cons: requires kerosene to operate. May produce a smell when in use. Louder than some other types of heaters. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mr. Heater 125,000 BTU Forced Air Propane Heater. This Mr. Heater 125,000 BTU Forced Air Propane Heater is perfect for providing fast, efficient heat in large spaces. The heater is equipped with a high-output fan and adjustable heat angle. It easily connects to a 20-pound propane tank with the included 10-foot hose and regulator. With a built-in thermostat and a high-limit safety switch, this heater offers reliable performance and pros. 125,000 BTU output provides efficient heating. Portable and lightweight. Easy to use. Adjustable heat settings. Cons: loud noise operation. Requires propane tank for fuel. High cost. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dewalt DXH70CFAV 68,000 BTU Cordless Forced Air Propane Heater. The Dewalt DXH70CFAV 68,000 BTU Cordless Forced Air Propane Heater is the perfect tool for any outdoor job. This powerful forced air heater provides 68,000 BTU of heat that can reach up to 25 feet away, ensuring your work area stays warm and cozy. With a cordless design, this heater is easy to get the most out of each tank. This Dewalt DXH70CFAV cordless forced air propane heater is the ideal choice for any outdoor job, providing powerful and efficient heat with no cords to worry about. Pros: lightweight and portable design. No cords or hoses required for setup. Reaches 68,000 BTU for fast heating. Built-in safety features for added safety. Integrated LED display for easy temperature control. Cons: requires propane tank for operation. Can be noisy when running. May not be suitable for large spaces. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sunnydays 125,000 BTU Forced Air Propane Heater. This Sunnydays 125,000 BTU Forced Air Propane Heater is the perfect option for heating construction sites, garages, workshops, barns, and other large areas. This heavy-duty heater boasts a powerful 125,000 BTU output and is designed to provide effective and efficient heating. The adjustable heating, easy to operate with its piezo ignition and the red and black finish, give it a professional and sleek look. With its durable construction and versatile design, this sunny days heater is the perfect solution for all your heating needs. Pros: 125,000 BTU of heat output. Portable design for easy transport. Auto shutoff for overheating protection. Adjustable heating output. Piezo ignition for easy startup. Attractive red and black color scheme. Cons: not suitable for indoor use. May be too powerful for some applications. Fuel tank not included. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Remington 80,000 BTU diesel heater/kerosene heater. This Remington 80,000 BTU diesel heater/kerosene heater is a great addition to any garage. It is designed to provide an efficient and reliable source of heat for large and small garages. This heater is made of durable and long-lasting materials, and it runs on diesel or kerosene. It has a powerful 80,000 BTU output and adjustable heat settings, so you can customize the temperature to your preferences. It also features a safety shut-off switch and overheat protection, which helps to protect against fire hazards. Additionally, this Remington heater comes with an oxygen depletion sensor, so you can be sure that your garage remains safe and comfortable. This heater is perfect for those cold winter months and makes a great garage heater. Pros: high efficiency of 80,000 BTU. Kerosene heater allows for a longer burning time. Low cost of operation. Excellent for heating large garages. Portable and easy to move around. Cons: requires frequent refueling. May require ventilation to avoid buildup of fumes. Noise from the fan and motor can be loud. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.